Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to draw this cute little Thanksgiving turkey. Okay, so you're going to need a piece of paper, a pencil, preferably with an eraser just in case you mess up, a circle, something that you can trace. So I have my water bottle here and I'll use the bottom of this. And then you're going to need something that has a little bit smaller of a circle as well. So I just grabbed this coffee pod that I had laying around. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start and put our circle about midway, a little bit below midway through the paper. And we're gonna trace around that circle, just like this. Make sure that you're holding the circle in place so that your circle does not come out lopsided. Okay, now that we have our circle, we're gonna go ahead and take the smaller circle and we're gonna draw 2 circles for the eyes. So we're gonna go ahead and start with 1. And then we're gonna make sure they overlap. So I'm gonna place the circle again, make sure it's covering part of the other circle, trace around it. And then I'm just going to erase and clean it up and make sure that it looks. So I'll finish this, erase these lines and make sure they're a little bit more symmetrical. Now that I have those cleaned up, it's okay that they're a little off-centered. Your drawing isn't going to be perfect. We're going to do 2 more circles. This time you're just going to freehand them in about in the center of the other 2 circles you did. Just like that. And then again, clean them up a little bit so they look nice. We're going to now come in with yet another 2 circles and we're going to put them right in the corners. Make sure that they are in the same position, otherwise the turkey's gonna look a little cross-eyed. And then we're gonna switch shapes that we've been drawing and we're gonna go ahead and put in a triangle in between the 2 eyes. And this is gonna act as the beak of the turkey. We're also gonna draw the little, I don't know what it's called, but we're gonna add that in. All turkeys have that. And then we're gonna go back to a circle-like shape, but it's gonna be more of an oval. And this one you're just gonna freehand as well. You're gonna start about at the same positioning on each side. So you have your little guide and we're gonna draw the body. So you have your little 2 notches and you're just going to kind of circle down with your pencil, trying to make like a stretched circle. So it's not quite a perfect circle, more of an oval. Okay, now it's time, oh, that's not in focus. There we go. We're gonna come in with kind of a triangle almost, but we're gonna do the wings. So I have this little dot right here that's gonna be the bottom of the wing. I'm gonna go over to the other side, same length, and put another dot. So that's gonna serve as my guide to how far down the wings go. That way they are the same length on each side. So from this dot, so this is gonna be the point, you're gonna swoop up into the body. So we're gonna do the same on the other side. And then we're going to now draw the other portion and we're gonna kind of round it to the top of the head. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the other side. Then we're gonna add in the feet. So we're gonna draw 2 little lines like this. And then we're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. So we have our 2, this would serve as almost the leg. And we're gonna add in the little feet. Just gonna do 3 half circles, just like that. Perfect, okay. And then the last part of the drawing is the wings. You can add as many wings as you'd like. On my original drawing, let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll do 6 again, but again, you can do as many as you'd like. You just want both sides to have the same number. So you want it to be symmetrical, the same on both sides. Okay, so we're gonna start at the top, doing a little tiny wing. And then we're gonna go to the same side and do the exact same thing. And you wanna do one side and then the other before you continue all the way down. That way you get the same number on each side. Then we're gonna start We're not gonna start over here. We're gonna actually overlap them a little bit. So we're gonna come from this top point in the wing. We're gonna come and make it look as though they're overlapping. And then we're gonna do that again, same side, right into the center. And we're gonna do that all the way down to the bottom. Just like that. And then you're good to go. You can color it however you'd like. You can see I colored it and then outlined it in black just to separate everything. And I wrote Happy Thanksgiving at the top. You can really do whatever now that you have your outline of the turkey.